Isha. In the last class, we are already learning about wings and tails. Today, we are going to do some activity work in your workbook. So that here we have a multiple choice question in the first main. In that first question, which one of the following is a domestic animal? Already in your test book, you can see they have given a 4 options to you. In that first option, A is giraffe, B is cow, C is tiger, and D is a elephant. We already know about the domestic animal in the last class. The animals which can live in, they can live in a house, field and farms, they are called as a domestic animals. Except the cow, all are these animals, that is giraffe, tiger and elephants are the wild animals. They are live in the forest. So the only the cow is the answer for this question. The answer, the option B is the correct answer. Comes to the second question, which one of the following is a wild animal? Already they give a 4 options. Based on these 4 options, we have to answer the correct one. So in the option A, lion, B, goat, C, dog, and D is a crow. We already know about which animals are wild and which animals are domestic in the last class. So the lion is a wild animal. It is live in the forest. Among all these are lives in the fields. So the answer for this question should be A. The answer, the option A, lion is a correct option for this question. So comes to the next page, page number 2. In the next main, they are given that complete the names of the animals in the picture below. So they are already given 2 pictures. Based on these 2 pictures, have to fulfill the blanks and we get a correct answer for these questions. In the case of question first, they given animal. This is a domestic animal. We are already learned in the last class. And this animal is, which animal is this? It is a buffalo. So the answer is BUFFALO, buffalo. The answer is buffalo. And comes to the next one. And this animal is not a domestic animal, but it is a wild animal, live in the forest. So the answer is hyena. So the answer is hyena. Comes to the next main, very short answer question. In that first one, give an example of a pet. We are already learned about the domestic animals and also the pet animals. The domestic animals, they are live inside the house. They are called as a pet. For example, dog, cat, RABBIT, rabbit, etc. All these are the example for the pet animals. Comes to the next question. Other than forest, where can we see some wild animals? We already know that all of the wild animals, they are live in the forest and some can be seen in the zoo also. So the answer is zoo. ZOO. So the answer of this question is zoo. So comes to the next main short answer question. In that first one, what do we call animals that live on farms and fields? Give 1 examples. We already know about the domestic animals and pet animals, and this comes to the farms and fields. The animals that can live in the farms and fields, they are called as FARM, farm animals. ANIMALS, farm animals. Example for these farm animals are cow, C-O-W, cow. B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. H-O-R-S-E, horse, etc. All these are the example for farm animals. Cow, buffalo, horse. These are the examples for this question. Then comes to the next page. Again we have the another main tick and odd one. In that first one, in this activity they give an option. In this option have to choose the correct one. So that first question is, they are already given some hints for question purpose. First one is, first the hint is big animals. In that bracket they are already given that tick the one that is not big. So that first option is elephant, B is rabbit, C is lion and D is a tiger. We are already know that the animals are divided into based on their size. So some animals are bigger in size and some are smaller in size. The elephant, lion and the tiger all comes under bigger size animal. Only the rabbit is smaller one. So the answer for this question is rabbit. So comes to the next question. Again they given a hint here. So animals with wings. In the bracket tick the one that does not have a wings. So the option is, first one is a crow, parrot, duck and a dog. So all of these birds will have a wings. Getting? So only the dog will have a legs and hands. Getting my point? So the dog is a correct answer for this question. Comes to the next question. Again the hint is animal that live in water. In the bracket they given that tick the one that does not live in a water. In the option A, golden fish, option B is a whale and option C is a rat and option D is a dolphin. We already know about that the fish, whale and dolphin, all these animals are live in the water. Only the rat is a land animal. It is live on the earth. So the answer for this question is C, rat. Comes to the next question. Again the hint is animal without legs. Tick one that has leg. So option A is a snake, option B is a fish, option C is a earthworm and option D is a cat. So the snake, fish and earthworm, all these organisms do not have any legs. Only the cat will have a leg. So the answer for this question should be D, cat. Turn to the comes to the next page, that is page number 4. In that again we have a short answer question. In that first one, identify the land animal and write its name. They already given two options here. Option A is fish, option B is a dog. Last class we learned that the fish is a water animal. It is lives in the water. The dog is a land animal. So the answer for this question is dog. D-O-G, dog. Clear? Next question. Look at the given pictures. Which animal has a bigger tail? Name the animal. Again they given two options here. That means two pictures here. Based on these two pictures and option, have to select the correct one. First one is a crocodile and the B is a dog. We are already learned in the last class, that is based on the tail size also have to divided animals into two categories. Getting my point? The dog will have a tail shorter, so that the crocodile will have the longer tail. The answer for this question is crocodile. The animal C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. So that the crocodile has a bigger tail. Comes to the next option. Again the multiple choices question. In that first one, identify the day animal from the following. Which animals are day animals and which are the night animals? We are already learned in the last class. Day animals means the animals are active only in the daytime and they can rest in the night time. So all these options, again they given options to choose a correct answer. In that, first one is a monkey, second one is a owl, and C is a bat, and D is a moth. All these three options they given are night animals, and only the monkey is a day animal. It is active only in the day and it can take rest only during the night time. So our answer of this question should be a monkey. Comes to the next page, that is page number 5. Which one of the following animal is not very active during the day? That means the animals, it can active only in the night time. So again they are given options. You can see your textbook. A horse, B elephant, C cow, and D owl. All these three animals are day animals because they are active only during the daytime and they can take a rest only in the night time. Only in the wool is very active during wool is not active during the daytime. It is active only in the night time. So the answer for this question is D. D, wool is the correct answer for this question. Comes to the next main. In that first one, I am an animal. I am awake during the day and I spend the night resting. Who am I? We already know about which animals are day animals and which animals are night animals. During the day only they can active and they can spend night time for their resting. So the animal is dog, D-O-G, dog, M-O-N-K-E-Y. So these two are the examples for the day animals. Comes to the next question. Write the letters in the correct order to get the name of the night animals. Again they give some clues for us to write a correct answer. Have to see the picture first, then they also given some jumble for words for us. Based on the picture, have to rearrange these words. So which animal is this? This is a rat. This is a mouse. So the answer is M-O-U-S-E. Clear, children? So the answer for this question is mouse. Comes to the next page, that is page number 6. Again the next main, the short answer question. In that first one, draw, color and name the wild animal you like the most. In this question you have to do in home only. Clear, students? Thank you.